Welcome to Mathorio. Let's learn math together. When adding fractions with the same denominator, also called like fractions, follow this simple rule. A over c plus b over c equals a plus b over c. Add the numerators, top numbers, and keep the denominator, bottom number, the same. For example, 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5 equals 2 plus 1 over 5 equals 3 over 5. Think of it like adding slices of the same pizza. 2 slices plus 1 slice equals 3 slices, and each slice is still 1/5 of the pizza. Why does this matter? Adding fractions is a skill you'll use throughout your life. Cooking. If a recipe needs 1/4 cup of sugar and you want to add another 2 over 4 cup, you get 3/4 cup total time. Half an hour plus another half hour equals 1 whole hour. Money. A quarter, 25 cents, plus 2 more quarters equals 3/4 of a dollar. Measuring. When building or crafting, you often need to add fractional measurements. Mastering this skill is the first step toward working with all fraction operations. Try this interactive visualization on Mathorio to explore the concept yourself. Pause the video and visit Mathorio.com to practice with our hands-on tools. Example 1. Adding simple unit fractions. Let's look at calculate 1/4 plus 2 over 4. Step 1. Check the denominators. Both fractions have denominator 4. This gives us same denominator. We can add directly. Step 2. Add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3. This gives us sum of numerators is 3. Step 3. Keep the denominator. The denominator stays 4. This gives us 3/4. Step 4. Check if simplification is needed. 3/4 cannot be simplified. 3 and 4 share no common factors. This gives us 3/4 is the final answer. The answer is 1/4 plus 2 over 4 equals 3/4. Example 2. Result that needs simplifying. Let's look at calculate 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. Step 1. Verify same denominator. Both fractions have denominator 8. This gives us we can add directly. Step 2. Add the numerators. 3 plus 1 equals 4. This gives us sum is 4. Step 3. Write the result. 4 over 8. This gives us this can be simplified. Step 4. Simplify the fraction. 4 over 8 equals 4 divided by 4 over 8 divided by 4 equals 1/2. This gives us 1/2. The answer is 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8 equals 4 over 8 equals 1/2. Let's review the key points. First, when adding fractions with the same denominator, add the numerators and keep the denominator. Second, the rule is a over c plus b over c equals a plus b over c. Third, always simplify your answer if possible. Point 4. If the result is an improper fraction, numerator-denominator, convert to a mixed number. Point 5. Never add the denominators, they represent the size of each piece and must stay the same. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more math lessons, and visit Mathorio.com to practice.